Hi everyone, this is Pete, your friendly Blackboard administrator, and I want to talk to you about an issue that has popped up this semester with the collapsing course menu. We've been getting a lot of reports from students and instructors that they can't see their menu links when they go inside their course. This is a bit of a nuisance and Blackboard is working on it, but I want to show you how to fix this in the meantime. So let's go to the My Blackboard tab and I'm going to click into one of my courses. And as you can see here, you can see the banner, the Nighthawks logo, the modules, but I don't see my content links, like my syllabus and course content links. So to fix this, I'm going to take my mouse pointer and hover it over the far left-hand side of my screen. And this bar is going to pop up and it's going to say Show Course Menu. I'm going to click on that and presto, there's my course menu again with all my stuff. So again, if it's collapsed and all you see is the big part of the page, the center part of the page, the modules, just hover your mouse over the left-hand side. And you may not see that bar right away. See, right now it's gone. But when I hover my mouse over it, it shows up. I click it, and there is my menu. Okay, as always, if you ever have any problems with Blackboard or need support, just give us a call here at Blackboard Support and we'll be more than happy to help. And hopefully we'll get this issue resolved where it won't be a problem anymore. Thanks and have a great day.